What we see here is a Fasco State Fair. Dates to June of 1990. The State Fair is a 46-inch fan. It was available in 5 finishes: antique white and brass, polished brass as seen here, antique brass, and brown. It was available for maybe 6-ish years, 6-7 years. They're not terribly common. Basically what the State Fair is a 38-inch parlor fan motor housing with weird 46-inch blades. Of course, it uses a rubber flywheel under that cover, which surprisingly is intact and nice and flexible, so that's a plus. Anyway, let's see how it performs. Starting on low. This is also one of those quiet Fascos, because it seems like most of them have a noticeable buzz to them, which I personally find to be incredibly annoying. The low speed is decent, as are all of Fasco's low speeds, no matter what the size of the fan. Let's go to medium. The medium actually seems somewhat fast for a mid-sized fan. It's definitely moving some air too. Let's go to high. It flies rather nicely on high. Surprisingly fast for a high speed. Very effective. Now we coast. And there you go. A 46-inch Fasco State Fair.